Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Raise to Listen on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, now click chat settings. Here as you see you'll find it, Raise to Listen. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. That's it for today. That's how to turn on Raise to Listen on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.